Want to read deleted WhatsApp messages? Here's a quick, safe way. This method uses notification history. It only works for messages that triggered notifications after setup. First, enable WhatsApp notifications and make sure your phone allows notification access. We'll use a notification log app from the Google Play Store. No jailbreaking, no hacking, just your phone's saved notifications. Let's walk through the simple steps. Step 1. Open the Play Store and search Notification History. Step 2. Choose a trusted app, then tap Install and open it. Step 3. Grant notification access when prompted so the app can save alerts. Test it by receiving a WhatsApp message. Watch the notification appear in the log. If the sender deletes the message, open the notification log and tap the WhatsApp entry to read the text. That's it. Enable notifications, install the app, and check logs. Like and share for more tips.